ano mo parang pinaghirapan talaga namin. Wala, parang nag-pay off sa lahat.
Cause I'm falling slowly over you. 오랫동안 기다려온 너의 몸이야. Cause I'm falling slowly over you. 다시 지워진다 해도 all my life is you.
Favorite ko si Ate Jo. I love Ate Jo. I love her with my whole heart. Pag if ever lalabas kami girls, if may gusto kami puntahan doon tapos hindi siya sasama, parang ayoko na yung sumama. Ganun, parang siya yung ano, siya yung ticket kung saan mapupuntahan ko. I call Ate Jo kasi she likes being called Ate. And she really is my Ate.
Nothing that I wouldn't do. Go to the ends of the earth.
Yeah, I feel home when I hug Ate Jo.
To make you feel my love.
My hero is Ate Jo.
To make you feel my love.
Love, promise, kapag pagod na kami sa ginagawa namin. Eh, yung ano namin, source of strength. Promise ko yan. Legit. Kaming wala yung witness kung paano namin kayo hanapin, pag ano, kung kunwari may event kami, ganyan, tapos sana may mga pupuntang blooms, gano'n, totoo nga, may mga napupunta ko talagang blooms, gano'n. Kaya blooms, love ko kayo lahat talaga, kahit minsan dino-joke ko kayo na tatampo ko sa inyo, that's my love language ko yan sa inyo.
Hindi niya pinapakita sa amin yung ganyan niya. Dito kami, dito kapatid mo. Hindi ka namin mapapayaan, Sheena. Kahit wala na yung mami mo. Ginagabayan ka. Run the bread na yung mami mo.
It's hard when you come home and then there's no one who tells you na you're getting late. Relax. Or well, it's okay. It's a bad day for us. It's not a bad habit. And you have to comfort your own self. Kasi alone.
Hindi ko napasok yung mga whips niyo for me. Sobrang lumalakas yung loob ko sa inyo. Thank you.
Siguro nung umabot na sa 1 year na kami, tapos 2 years, kahit nag-debut na kami, feeling ko walang nangyayari. Hoy, parang stagnant.
Siyempre, ang daming times na isa ko sa mga events yung if ever may meeting, dito nagdadaan mo lang.
Ano po sa mga napapadala ko? Hello po, we are here.
Kapag nag-perform, yung mga tao, dinadaan mo lang. Kasi grabe training namin para daanan mo.
We really started from scratch mo. Like, even yung pag-promote ko na, we had to give out your flyers. Kasi pati natapon ng followers.
Pinaghirapan talaga namin. Wala, parang nag-pay off sa lahat. Taon, lahat ng sacrifice namin. Na nakita namin yung fruit of our puso. Thank you so much, Moms.
Which BD member would be the most matangkigan member of the group?
Stacy! Wala talaga akong pakit sa kanila. Hindi!
wanna go. When I'm taking my life, don't you think me? Yeah, I would never go away.
Okay guys, 1 million views for the 1 million diamond for the first time! It's so good! Thank you so much po! More videos to come on! It's Regina! Regina! Thank you po for 1M diamond! More to come! Thank you! Thank you so much! Ang ganda po simula namin dito sa bahay and to start a new chapter talaga. Thank you po! Hopefully more blessings to come! Hope to see you guys soon! Thank you po! Thank you po!
Kasi po si Ate Jo, hindi lang po niya deserve yung world, pero she deserves the whole universe. Kasi, hindi sa to, honestly, every time I see her na going through something, ako yung nasasaktan knowing how soft-hearted siya. Sobrang soft kaya ni Ate Jo. Hala! Sobrang,
Nag-iiyak ka na siya.
sobrang sweet niya, sobrang bait niya. Ako'y mahirap. Ako yung, hindi niya deserve masaktan. Oh, I have a lot of fear.
Okay, go. That's it.
But in a deeper sense, maybe I'm afraid of losing someone I love.
Ano sa strongest person? Sobrang tapa po. Dito kami isipon ko kanina.
Dito ko lang sabihin. Kasi hindi ko rin naman kaya sabihin sa kanila ng face to face.
I wish mo for Beanie. I wish that. I hope that Beanie will stay longer by my side and not leave me too soon. O diba? Kaya ang hirap na sabihin mo.
malay nyo, by that time na nag-solo concert tayo ng 2025, yung Spotify na sinus natin.
Oops, baby,